Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to show you another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this one. Okay, just slide down. Oh, what's this? Let's open. Open it like that. There's a black dot in there. Okay, there. Oh, so it's a cute square box. It's a photoelectric smoke alarm. So this is an alarm, guys. Look. It's so nice. Oh, look, it's 10 years guarantee. I can see that there. Let's open
Guaranteed
it.
for 10 years, including the battery.
Let's see. Including the battery. So this
So it should last 10 years, and then you throw it away after 10 years.
This is the manual. So that is the one. And this is the fittings. So let's put it like that. There. So this is anchor. Anchor? Anchor. Oh, so this is white. So you have to put on the wall, is it?
Yeah.
Fix it on the wall.
No, on the ceiling. Preferably on the ceiling, but we can't put it. We can't put it on the ceiling.
So this is to do it.
So we'll just put it high up
like
on the wall near the ceiling.
So, and then you have to do it like.
Yeah, don't put it on yet, because once you do that, it will come on.
Oh really?
So
oh my god.
We have to read the instructions
first.
first.
Read the instruction first. So this is a very good, guys. This is very useful for the kitchen. So every kitchen should
You need
have
one
this
in every room, really, not just the kitchen.
Oh, in every room. So what's this? Smoke alarm.
Smoke detector slash alarm.
So I thought it's only for the kitchen.
No, it's for every room.
For every room. Oh, so we need.
Because the fire can start anywhere, especially the kitchen. But yeah, we got one in the kitchen already. We got one in this room already.
So where will you put this?
In the bedroom. So we don't have one in the bedroom.
Oh, see. Oh, so that one is a smoke alarm.
Yeah.
Can you zoom it?
There.
Is it on top of the fan?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll do it later. Alright, okay guys, so I think this is a very good thing you to have it in the house.
You should always have them.
Yeah,
if the fire
it's very important. Yeah, for
go up
safety.
And remind you, especially if you're sleeping. Because the smoke will kill as well.
Yeah. So this is there is a, what do you call this? Warranty or lifetime.
Well, it's supposed to last for 10 years. Supposed to. Whether
So
it does, we don't really know. Yeah. So after 10 years, you just throw it away. Buy a new
so you
one.
cannot put new battery?
No. The battery is not, you can't change the battery. The
so
ones you change tend to cost more in the long run, because you have to keep buying batteries.
Also, the battery is more pricey. So that is the thing.
Yeah, because they usually use the 9-volt
There's two screws.
batteries, and they are expensive. They don't last that long. This one lasts for 10 years.
That is the booklet, the user manual. So
Probably in different languages.
yeah, in different language.
But they're quite simple. You just follow the instructions.
Yeah. And this is two
Turn
screws.
it on and screw it in the ceiling if you can, or near the ceiling on the wall if you can't do it on the ceiling.
Do you have to put the screws here or there?
Yeah, wherever. screws tend to go on the ceiling or on the wall, and then you
just
clip it on.
Clip this on.
Yeah, when you click it onto the thing, I think it comes on. That's how you turn the thing.
Oh, right. Okay. So you know what you're doing. So this is, I like this thing because it's very useful, very important.
Yeah, it's important.
Yes.
So always have one in every room that you use, especially the kitchen.
So every household should have this one.
Yes.
Yes. So what are you waiting for,
if you don't already
guys?
have it on your burglar alarms,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes you can have electric ones connected to the burglar alarm.
Oh, so it's included in there.
Yeah,
It's
we've just got one in the downstairs hallway, which is not really enough.
Yeah. So I didn't realize that you can't change the batteries for this. So you can buy
this
new
is
one
the
every
type
10
that you
years.
can't. You just buy one every 10 years.
So you have to buy every after use. Is a single station smoke alarm. So it's only for one room. Is that means?
Yeah.
So we need quite few of these.
Yeah.
So guys, what are you waiting for? You have to buy one of these for your house for safety.
More than one.
More than one.
Every room
Buy
that you
several.
use, that you should have one in there.
Yeah, the most used rooms
Kitchen,
in the
definitely.
house. And bedrooms and living room.
Yeah, kitchen, bedrooms, and living room.
Yeah.
And hallway as well.
Oh yeah, hallway is, yeah. I think
if you don't already have them.
Yeah, hallway is much better because it travels there. So alright guys, okay, so this is the unboxing for today. It's very useful smoke alarm.
Yes. Smoke detector /
Smoke
alarm.
detectors alarm. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love. Baby. I say hello. Bye bye guys. Say bye bye guys. Bye bye. Say mwah. Come on. Say mwah. Ay, you sleeping? Ay, okay.
Yes.
Okay guys, he's sleeping.
Yes.
Ay, you sleepy? May I see your eyes sleepy? Ay, sleepy. Oh, that's it. Alright. Okay. Thank you guys.